Hi guys, this is me and DaVo, and this is my shop, Skin Kitchen Tattoo. DaVo is our resident piercer at the Axiom here at the Skin Kitchen, and we wanted to give you a walkthrough of the shop so you could check it out in the comfort of your own home. When you come in the door, this is what you'll see.
We have the Tibetan skull.
Right, Tibetan skull over there.
Taxidermy.
Yeah, some taxidermy I've picked up through the years. My friend Dakota does incredible taxidermy. So you'll see some throughout the tour here.
And some examples of Jack's work.
Yeah, got some work up on the walls throughout the tour as well. Make sure to look around. You may even find an Easter egg or two that we forgot to pick up.
And of course, you know, nobody already comes to the counter right away.
Right. If you come in and you see that, ring that. Then someone will pop up out of the bottom there, like a jack in the box.
Cellar.
All right. Moving on down the hallway, some artwork that I've picked up through my years of perusing the planet. Yeah. So on the left here is my room. If you're getting tattooed by me, this is where you'll be in this little awesome tattoo room of dead things. Anyway, yeah, so this is my room where all the magic happens. Moving on around the corner is our sitting area here. This is a good area to do consults or a good place for the guys and I to sit and draw or relax or talk about our wives or girlfriends, you know, stuff like that.
Socialize.
Yeah, it's just another little comfy room that you can come in and it's a parlor, I guess. So anyways, yeah, a mirror to check your beautiful self out if you haven't. Now you can see yourself in the mirror, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll be able to see themselves, right?
Yeah.
That's how it works?
I think
so.
God, that'd be crazy.
All right. So, more magic in here.
What's up, guys? Hi, guys.
This is where Wesley and Jimmy work. We've got a guy here now. He's kind of guest spotting. We're gonna see if he works out or not at this time. But this is where the magic happens if you've got an appointment with Jimmy or Wesley. It's a nice little sitting area out the window during the daytime. You can kind of imagine what it would be like if you weren't getting, tattooed and you decided to do something else with your day and be sad.
You know, we have masks in case you need one.
Yeah, to hide your grimacing face.
Yes.
All right, so on around the corner. All right. Oh, yes, we cannot skip the artwork here in the hallway done by Wesley. And this is the tattoo that I did. Another coupe that I've picked up along the way. And our gigantic mascot. He doesn't really have a name, though.
Merlin.
Swordy face. Sword nose. I don't know. I'll come up with something better. All right, then on back here.
We have the studio, which is a mess right now.
Yes, right here behind this door is where the magic happens, where all the videos are recorded, where we do Q&A in the kitchen, where we do the update, where we do artwork. We make t-shirts in there, we do stickers. It's like a catch-all room, so that's why you can't see it. So
it's our junk drawer.
Yeah, it's like a junk drawer. It's the transformer room. If we need to record something, it's our studio. If we need to make some t-shirts, it's our t-shirt room. All right, and this
is my station.
This DaVo's piercing area.
Where I do the piercing of the body.
Yeah, take a look around. He spends a lot of time in here working on that computer you see in the corner, putting all these videos together. So he's a hard-working zombie. Tell you.
And then all the camera equipment and the slipknot thing and
yeah, I'll give him a good look there in the corner. They can check out your
photos of family and friends and photos I've taken over the years.
Yeah, always good to have in your workspace. Makes you feel like you're at home. All right, guys, I hope you really like this walkthrough. We're here every day but Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We're open at 1, we leave at 8. The best way to get the ball rolling is to contact us via email, shop@skinkitchen.com, and tell us what you're after. If you need a consult, you're not quite sure exactly what you need, and you need our help to get it all put together, great. If you've got something that's ready to go, send it along, and we'll get the ball rolling and get you in here. So, anything else you need to add?
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Hope all your piercings and tattoos heal with ease and without a single issue. And if you're in Des Moines, Iowa, we hope to see you for your tattooing and body piercing needs in the future.
And be nice to each other, guys. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.